Hi, it's Deb from Deb's Days Designs, and I'm back with another quick and easy sewing project for the summer. Today we're making these fun little cloth corn on the cobs. With pinked edges, these stuffed corn cobs go together pretty darn fast. Stick them in a pot or a window box to make your own summertime vegetable garden, with no water needed. All right, let's get this project started. Along with your regular sewing supplies for this project, you'll need fabric for the cob and for the husk, polyester fiber-fill stuffing, pinking shears, hot glue or craft glue, a wooden skewer, dowel, chopstick, or craft stick, an optional glue stick, and of course the printable templates. You can draw your own corn templates, but if you'd like to use mine, they're part of a written pattern I have available in my shop. You'll find the specific cutting measurements, step-by-step written directions and color photos, and the printable templates. It's a digital PDF pattern, which means you can download it to your device and to save paper, print out just the template page. But if you'd like to have the entire pattern on paper, you can print out the whole thing as well. I've added links in the description down below in case you're interested. First, cut out the templates. Place the husk templates on the green fabric and cut out 4 husks. Place a piece of yellow corn fabric with the right side of the fabric facing up. Align the husks on each of the bottom corners. I like to attach it with a glue stick. You can add stabilizer to the back of the fabric if you'd like. Stitch around the raw edges of the inside of the husks with a blanket, zigzag, satin, or straight stitch. I like to try out different stitch lengths and widths on fabric scraps before I work on an applique piece. Place one sewn cob with the right side facing down. On top, place the other cob with the right side of the fabric facing up. Center the cob template on top, matching the marked points with the edge of the husks, and pin it in place. Stitch the corn together by sewing around the outside of the template very close to the edge of the paper, leaving a space at the bottom open for stuffing. Remove the paper template and use pinking shears or scissors to trim 1/4 inch to 1/2 inch outside the stitching line. Then use the opening to stuff the corn with fiber fill, filling it as full as desired. Adjust the stuffing away from the opening and insert the wooden stem into the stuffing. If you're using a wooden skewer, be sure to cut off the sharp point first. Use a pencil to mark the fabric on each side of the wooden stem. Then remove the stem and then continue stitching the corn up to the markings you made and retrim the opening for a neater look. Reinsert the stem into the bottom of the corn and work it up into some of the stuffing. Secure the stem in place by gluing it to the opening and readjust the stuffing. And just like that, just that fast, you've started on your first of many handmade, homemade cloth vegetables to brighten up your summertime home and garden decor. If you'd like to see more quick and easy sewing projects like this one, be sure to subscribe and remember to click the bell so you can get notified of my newest tutorials. See you next time with another project.